Hey, so you're looking how to do a rubber patch for yourself on this DIY, do it yourself. Stick around, I'll make this a really quick video, step by step, what you need, where you can get it, how to do it, how to save a ton of money. If you like the video when you're done, smash the thumbs up button and let's get at it. Here, got a little repair to do. I've got a nail or a screw fastener and button popping through. It's not through yet, but I'm already here doing some other things, so we're going to drive that down, clean the surface, and get a simple repair done on this. So there we go. There's my work site. We're going to need a hammer, drive it down or pull it out. That was simple enough. You're going to need some mineral spirits, nothing fancy, a rag. You're going to clean and prep the surface. Just clean it up real good. I've already done this once, but I'm doing it again to show you. You want to get any dirty residue, nasty dust and debris off there, bigger than your patch site will be. Let that kind of evaporate and dry off. While that's doing that, I'll show you the next thing, which is a Firestone primer. They make Genflex, probably some other brands. You may not want to get something like this at your Home Depot, Menards, box stores. They may not have something like this. You might need to go to your Richards Building Supply. Let me back that up a little bit. A Reese Wholesale, Richards Building Supply, ABC Supply, Google. Yes, Google. Everybody knows what Google is. Google it wherever you live. It'll tell you a place, roofing supply house near you. I'm sure they've got it. If they don't, they can get it. This is a 1-gallon bucket. Firestone brand. I think it was like $45. It does not take much. Oh, open the lid up. I've already had it open, but I kind of pushed on it, so we'll get it back open. Make sure it's cleaned, or I'm sorry, not cleaned. What am I saying? Stirred up real good, which I've already done. You're gonna need a brush, simple little brush. There's my dirty brush. You're gonna note your area. You're going to coat very good. Don't skimp here. You want to make sure, I mean, don't go crazy, but you want it to dry. Make sure you're bigger than your patch is going to be. That's going to take a few minutes to flash off. The weather conditions will be a big factor on how fast it flashes off. Just a fancy word for ready. It can't be like this. See how it's wet and slimy? It's got to be dry, tacky to the touch, but not pulling away, not smearing. So while that's doing its thing, we will go into a couple other things. You're going to need your material to patch it. Here is a cover tape, 6-inch wide. Here is a flashing 5-inch wide. So we're going to use cover tape. Basically, this is vulcanized. I know it's a big fancy word for a roofer. It just basically means it is cured to where it will not stretch. It's durable. Vulcanized rubber is basically heat treated with sulfur and it hardens, kind of like the tires in your car. They're vulcanized rubber. So this is what we're going to use. Flashing, on the other hand, if you have a pipe or protrusion you need to stretch and wrap something around, that's where you're going to want to use a flashing. This is a 5-inch flashing. If you peel a corner back and you pull on it, you see how it stretches? That is a flashing. You can work this around pipes and things. Not good for the application I'm wanting it on right here. I mean, you could use it, yes, but that's what we're going to use. Don't cut your work site. About a 6-inch patch or so. Sharp, straight blade. Just a regular straight blade. Don't cut your face. Simply cut that like that. Around your little corners here. Manufacturers, during their system installation, they say that it needs to have rounded corners. Any T-patches, patchwork, rounded corners. Why? I don't know. Maybe they don't want your foot to catch and kick a corner up. I don't know. So throw those little pieces aside. All right. She's looking like she's about there. Close, so I'll take another second and talk about another tool you may or may not need. If you're just doing a small, simple one, and it's you, the DIY, do-it-yourself or home improvement guy, and you got a little roof patch, you don't necessarily need to have this. You can use your fingers and press that thing and work it in there. I got it because I use it all the time, so I'm showing you. You can get these at your home supply, roofing supply houses. So check it. See how that's sticky? It's like not peeling up, it's not sticking to my finger or smearing. That's ready, it's kind of flashed off. The hotter the day, the sunnier the day, the breezier the day, those are all factors. This shit will flash off like that fast and you're ready to go. Right now it's first week in November and it's probably 45, 50 degrees, overcast, so it took a few minutes, but we're ready to go. Take your patch, orient it over where you want, press in the center, working outward. You don't want to trap any air pockets in it. Here's where you get your roller out, and you press, and you roll it from center out. Don't want any air pockets in there. You really want to press that rubber into the rubber roll. You want to make a good tight bond. That is just about done. You could probably stop there, but since I've got it, GEOCEL brand 4500 roof sealant. It bonds to EPDM, metal, asphalt, concrete, wood, all kinds of products. Manufacturers for rubber, when you're done, you have a seam like this right here, or a T-patch, or a patch in general, any non-factory edges. You're going to want to put a thin little bead of this down those edges, like so. And that's it. That is done. My camera is at 6 minutes. So, if you've got a simple little hole in your rubber flat porch or rubber flat section and you want to know how to do it, you found the right place. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like I said earlier, smash the thumbs up button, share it, like it. If you like what I do here at Grand Roofing and bring you some cool footage of installations and how-tos for you, consider smashing that subscribe button and the bell just off the side so you're notified when I shoot videos like this for you. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Brian with Grand Roofing. See you soon on the next one.